Hello all, welcome back to the next one. In the last class, we saw concept of base page class. So I just wanted to take a quick moment and show you how do we transfer the verify title thing to base page and then run the code. Let's bring up PyCharm. So this was our code, right? Now, since we have the base page class and we have the verify page title method, it only takes the title to verify. What I can simply do is I can just get rid of everything from here and let's see what it does. It returns something, right? It returns either true or false. So we can just say here return self dot, and also one more thing. Above all, everything, all the page classes should now inherit the base page class instead of the Selenium driver class. Why? Because we are now inheriting the base page class, which is the base of all the pages, and this class in turn is already inheriting the Selenium driver class. So we don't need to inherit Selenium driver class in any page class. This is the thing that I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna remove the Selenium driver instance, and now I'm inheriting the base page class, and here I will say base page. So this should be our hierarchy of the framework. Now I'm gonna say return self dot verify page title. This is the method I'm gonna call. And if you see here, it's coming from base page. You guys can see here, right? On this place itself. Now what does it take? It takes the title to verify. So I can just say simply Google here. I'm again saying Google here because we are always intentionally failing that particular verification point. So I'm intentionally not giving the correct title. You can actually give the correct title if you really don't want to fail that scenario. So that's pretty much it. Now the verify login title method looks super neat and clean. It just says return self.verify page title, and we just provide the title of the page. So in any other page level class, if you have a title verification, you can just simply say this thing and you don't have to do if else conditions all the time because you have taken care of this right here itself in the base page class. So this is what I wanted to show you, that anytime we have a common scenario, just please try to put it up in the base page. So that's pretty much it. Let me just try to quickly run it so we can see it in action. Py.test -s-v and with browser Firefox. Let me just quickly give it a run. Should bring up the Firefox. It should run our test as usual. It'll go to the login page. It should verify the user icon and the title and then just quit the browser. We just want to verify that it works, nothing else. And looks like it's working. It logged in and it failed one verification. That's what we were always doing, and it's working fine. So we were able to use it and we were able to inherit the base page into our page class, and that's what we should do. We should always inherit the base page in the page class, and in turn in the base page we should inherit the Selenium driver. So all the page classes will now inherit base page. Don't change the test status class, do not change any other class, just the page level classes. Page level classes will inherit, like the login page, they will inherit base page instead of Selenium driver class. So that's about it, guys. Please download this code, run it, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next lectures. Thanks for attending this one.